Allen Cadillac, our family serving your family for over 60 years. At Allen Cadillac, complete customer satisfaction is our top priority. We'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. Like this one.
Get years of use out of this trustworthy 2011 GMC conversion van. It comes with everything you need, like alloy wheels, navigation, and air conditioning. It also has OnStar and a moonroof. With its cavernous interior, powerful performance, and rock-solid build quality, this full-size van is an excellent choice. Come see it for yourself today.
At Allen Cadillac, our customers are extended family, and our customer loyalty is second to none. That's why month after month, Allen Cadillac is ranked #1 in the entire Western U.S. in customer satisfaction. Allen Cadillac, a truly different car buying experience. Call Jim Loynes Jr., our Internet Director, today at 888-462-8899 or stop on by. We're conveniently located on the corner of Avery Parkway and Camino Capistrano. Just take the 5 freeway and exit Avery Parkway south of Crown Valley. At Allen Automotive Group, our customers are extended family, and our customer loyalty is second to none. We're conveniently located on the corner of Avery Parkway and Camino Capistrano.